Thank you for choosing Fashion Color MIP series of medical printing equipment. In the following video, we will demonstrate the installation of MIP872. This is a continuous ink supply system. Use a separate tube inside. This is for waste ink. After the waste ink bottle is full, the waste ink is discharged through this tube. The remaining 5 are the corresponding colors. This is alarm switch of CRSS. There are 5 indicator lights. If there is less ink in a certain color, corresponding indicator will have an alarm. It will sound an alarm. These labels are the corresponding colors. Here is the ink outlet. This head is connected to the printer. The corresponding color is marked here. Total 6 colors. This long woven fabric is used with this bracket. Many used to catch the printed film. These pieces are part of the base of the bracket. Gold strikes through like this. We can put it diagonally. A screw in this position. Fix it with a knot. After fixing, there are 2 screw holes on this side. 2 screws here. No need to tighten too much, easy to install later. After installation, use the same method to install the other side. Put it like this. This is the best tray of CRSS. Corresponding 4 screw ports here. This is the hold for the film. This screw is in the middle. The screw goes through the middle. Just put on both sides directly. Here you can use a buckle to buckle it directly. Hold this like this. Here the bracket is installed. The first layer contains printer's accessories. This is the holder for the paper reel. This is a standard 2-inch cold bushing. This is a bushing of the 3-inch coil. If necessary, you can choose to install. Usually, the standard 2-inch coil does not need to be installed. Set directly into the printer paper reel. This is a brand new printer head. Tear from the gate to open. This is the information package. There are CDs, driver manuals, and so on. This is a set of original ink cartridge. 5 cartridges, 2 black, 6 ink cartridges in total. We need to install them all on the printer using its original chip. Open the plastic packing. Need 2 people to lift up the machines installed to the installed bracket. The bottom of the printer machine has a special interface and bracket docking. Mounting screws to fix. Don't tighten too much. Install the CRSS ink tank according to the corresponding 4 screw holes. No need to tighten too much here. Back the ink pipeline. Install the corresponding pipeline according to the color. Cover this pipeline to the end. Red corresponds to red, yellow corresponds to yellow, and so on. This is a West ink tube. This is a West ink outlet. This is West ink border through the hole on the side. Then plug this head into the West ink bottle. This is a bottle for West ink collection. More is also an outlet at the bottom that discharges West ink. Prepare a West ink bottle by yourself. Normally, just place it like this. Need to take out the bottle while the ink almost full. It can be discharged directly from the West ink tube here. Unplug this pipeline to join West ink. Open the cartridge cover once at a color. Please take one cape every time you add ink to avoid wrong color. Tear off the seals that protect the machine one by one. Take out the paper rail horizontally. If you need to print consumers with a 3-inch code, just install a 3-inch shaft sleeve. Fix or loosen just according to this operation. After installing the film, support it horizontally. 3 colors of YMC are here. Just push this up when you take it. The operations on both sides of color black are same. Just take it out. Just put it down when pretending.
输入打印信息以后，它这边会有一个接收信息的一个提示，这个灯会公布这个灯，它会。
After the printer receives the print command, the light here will flash. The printer starts printing. There are 2 ways to collect the printer. One is a LED cable, and the other is a USB collection.